So Austin, the Jeep is a truly iconic vehicle. Like it does have its own community.
Yeah, they're super popular all over US, Canada, even in other countries. And the cool thing about this one is it's being a 4xe, it kind of combines both communities of hybrid or electric owners and Jeep owners. So, I mean, it's because the hybrid and electric group of owners are very passionate about, very efficient vehicles. And so, that's kind of cool thing about this is it kind of combines both. I mean, you can still modify your hybrid. When was the last time you talked to somebody about modifying their hybrid? That's the beauty of this.
Yeah, the amount of Jeeps that are being sold, the VIN registry is off the chart, and it doesn't slow down. It's one of those vehicles that just keeps selling and keeps selling in the States and in Canada.